Prime Minister Narendra Modi in Srinagar talking about International Yoga Day. Why is it important? Also emphasizing on how everybody practices yoga. Pictures are of the Prime
Ladies and
Minister
gentlemen, we
right
now
now,
head
in fact,
towards the
performing yoga.
live
Let's take a look at
of
these
performing
pictures.
yoga protocol. Now I request Dr. Kashinath Samgandi, Director Moraji Desai National Institute.
We'll just go back to these pictures. A slight change in the program. Rains, in fact, playing spoil sport in the city of Srinagar today, where the Prime Minister is, and yoga was to be performed right beside the Dal Lake. However, that program had to be cancelled, like Mir was telling us, because it is raining heavily in Srinagar. And that's the reason why that program couldn't be carried out outdoors. However, alternate arrangements have been made for the program to be carried out indoors, and these are pictures coming in of Prime Minister Narendra Modi from, in fact, indoors, where in Srinagar itself, where the program is being carried out. The Prime Minister speaking about the importance of yoga and how this should be practiced by everyone. The Prime Minister, not on one occasion but on several, has indicated that he, in fact, practices yoga every single day. He's spoken about its importance, also said that it is, in fact, to bring back normalcy in the lives of prisoners who are serving a term in prison. And yoga is also practiced by prisoners, is what the Prime Minister said. Mir, in fact, is back with us for the very latest on that story. Mir, a bit of a disappointment there, given that the plan was to witness the Prime Minister practice yoga along with 7,000 other participants right besides the Dal Lake. It would have been a sight to behold, but unfortunately, the program has been cancelled today.
Yes, absolutely. In fact, many disappointed faces. We spoke to quite a few of them. They said that they were planning and they were basically practicing for this from the last 2 days. And this was something that was a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to do a yoga session with the Prime Minister. But unfortunately, as we have been saying, weather had different plans. It rained cats and dogs as far as Dal Lake is concerned. Normally also when it's raining, it's pretty heavy that side. The function venue was precisely chosen because of its beautiful location, the lovely background, because for yoga you need that kind of a location. But it rained since very early morning, and that really has put those plans awry. And now a session indoors will happen. It will be a curtailed session. There will be very less participation. We've been told around 500-600 people may be part of this session, and it will happen in one of the halls of the SKICC. Now 7,000, as you rightly said, mostly students, young entrepreneurs, then you had young innovators. All of them were part of it, and from the last 3 days there were preparations. The complete administration was with it. Then you add to that massive security sweep. You had arrangements, stringent measures, and unfortunately the show could not happen. The yoga session could not happen. But now we'll have a small indoor session. But yes, this obviously is something that will bring yoga in a big way to Kashmir, because as of now people are not aware about yoga, its benefits, how to do it, the various asanas, and all those things are new to the people of Kashmir. So this was also something that would bring yoga to Kashmir in a big way. Its health benefits, how it will bring feel-good factors in your life, your mental health will improve. So all these things, even the Prime Minister touched in his address and told the youth to connect with yoga, because it's something he also does. It has brought immense change in his life, in his health. So that is something that the people should follow. But yes, disappointment, but still you'll have a yoga session in Srinagar, maybe not outdoors but indoors. Back to you.
Right, not outdoors but indoors, and we'll in fact go back to those pictures of the Prime Minister performing yoga. A bit of a disappointment there, but the message ought to be sent out that this is an event for all. This is yoga for all. In fact, in the past as well, we've seen this being associated, with a particular religion, Mir. And that's the reason why we've seen Manisha yoga being banned in some countries as well, which is rather unfortunate, isn't it, Manisha?
Yoga people have kind of put it in a religious boundary, and also Om chanting was something which was considered a part of a religion.
Yes.
So which is not the case, because it's a wholesome practice and it is not a religion bound.
Yes.
And now it's becoming more, now the people are becoming aware, so they know that religion has nothing to do with yoga.
Yes. All right. Religion has got nothing to do with yoga. And these are pictures, in fact, from an indoor venue where the Prime Minister is performing yoga as we speak. The importance really. All right, let's take a listen.
श्वास को भरते हुए सिर को एंटी क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन में लेके जाइए और धीरे धीरे श्वास छोड़ते हुए सिर को आगे की तरफ। एक और बार धीरे धीरे श्वास लेते हुए गर्दन को ऊपर और श्वास छोड़ते हुए गर्दन को नीचे। और अब दोनों हाथों को नीचे की ओर लेके जाइए और सामान्य स्थिति में विश्राम कीजिए। अगला अभ्यास स्तंभ संचालन का अभ्यास करेंगे। जिसे भी गर्दन में दर्द है, कंधों में दर्द है, ऐसे व्यक्ति सावधानी के साथ इसका अभ्यास करना है। श्वास भरते हुए धीरे धीरे दोनों हाथों को साइड से सिर के ऊपर लेके जाइए और दोनों हाथों का हथेलियों का मुख बाहर की दिशा में हो और कंधे शिथिल हो और धीरे धीरे श्वास छोड़ते हुए दोनों हाथों को नीचे की ओर लेके आइए। एक और बार इसका अभ्यास करेंगे। धीरे धीरे श्वास लेते हुए दोनों हाथों को ऊपर और धीरे धीरे श्वास छोड़ते हुए दोनों हाथों को नीचे। अगला अभ्यास स्कंद चक्र अभ्यास। धीरे धीरे दोनों हाथों को बगल में से कंधों के समान अंतर लेके जाइए। हथेलियों का मुख ऊपर की ओर रखिए और दोनों हाथों को कोहनी से मोड़ते हुए दाएं हाथ को दाएं कंधे पर और बाएं हाथ को बाएं कंधे पर स्थापित करें और दोनों कोहनी को छाती के सामने लेके आइए और धीरे धीरे दोनों कोहनी को घड़ी की सुई के समान घुमाइए। इसका अभ्यास एक और बार करेंगे। पूरा ध्यान कंधों पर और विपरीत दिशा में भी इसका अभ्यास करिए। धीरे धीरे श्वास लेते हुए ऊपर और श्वास छोड़ते हुए नीचे और दोनों हाथों को श्वास छोड़ते हुए नीचे लेके आइए और सामान्य स्थिति में विश्राम कीजिए। अगला अभ्यास कटी चालन का अभ्यास। दोनों पैरों को कंधों के समान अंतर रखें। दोनों हाथों को सामने से ऊपर कंधों के समान अंतर लेके आइए। हथेलियां के मुख अंदर की तरफ रहे और धीरे धीरे श्वास छोड़ते हुए दाएं तरफ राइट साइड कमर को घुमाइए और धीरे धीरे श्वास छोड़ते हुए सीधा आ जाइए। श्वास छोड़ते हुए सामान्य स्थिति में आइए। इसका अभ्यास विपरीत दिशा में श्वास छोड़ते हुए धीरे धीरे बाएं तरफ घुमाइए और धीरे धीरे श्वास लेते हुए पुनः सामान्य स्थिति में आइए और दोनों हाथों को श्वास छोड़ते हुए नीचे लेके आइए और सामान्य स्थिति में विश्राम कीजिए। अगला अभ्यास घुटने चालन क्रिया। जिन्हें भी घुटने में दर्द है, अर्थराइटिस है, गठिया जैसे शिकायत है, ऐसे व्यक्ति सावधानी के साथ इसका अभ्यास करना है। श्वास भरते हुए दोनों हाथों को सामने से कंधों के समानांतर लेके आइए। हथेलियों का मुख नीचे की तरफ रहे और श्वास छोड़ते हुए बैठ जाइए आदि कुर्सी के ऊपर बैठे जैसे और धीरे धीरे श्वास लेते हुए ऊपर खड़े हो जाइए। एक और बार इसका अभ्यास करेंगे। धीरे धीरे श्वास भरते हुए नीचे की तरफ और धीरे धीरे श्वास लेते हुए ऊपर की तरफ और दोनों हाथों को नीचे की तरफ और विश्राम कीजिए। यहाँ चालन क्रिया का अभ्यास समाप्त हुआ। अब हम योगासनों का अभ्यास शुरू करेंगे। सभी आसनों का अभ्यास एक एक बार करेंगे। पहला आसन ताड़ासन। दोनों पैरों के बीच में 2 इंची का दूरी बना के रखिए। दोनों हाथों को सामने से कंधों के समान अंतर लेके आइए। दोनों हथेलियों को मिलाइए और उंगलियों को फंसाइए और हथेलियों को बाहर की तरफ घुमाइए और धीरे धीरे दोनों हाथों को ऊपर उठाइए। हो सके तो एड़ियों को ऊपर उठाने का प्रयास और संतुलन बनाए रखने का प्रयास और धीरे धीरे एड़ियों को नीचे लीजिए और दोनों हाथों को नीचे लेके आकर सामान्य स्थिति में विश्राम कीजिए। अगला अभ्यास पाद हस्तासन। यहाँ अभ्यास जिसे आईबीपी है, हर्निया है, हाइपरगैस्ट्रिटिस है, ऐसे व्यक्ति सावधानी के साथ इसका अभ्यास करना है। दोनों पैरों के बीच में 4 इंची का दूरी बना के रखिए। श्वास भरते हुए दोनों हाथों को सामने से सिर के ऊपर लेके जाइए और धीरे धीरे श्वास बाहर छोड़ते हुए कमर से आगे की ओर झुकिए और दोनों हाथों को दोनों पैरों के पंजे के पास रखें या एंकल के पास रखने का प्रयास करें। इस अवस्था में कुछ देर बने रहिए।
Yoga being celebrated across the country. These are pictures coming in from Dal Lake in Srinagar, where the Prime Minister is. This event, remember, had to be shifted indoors, and I'll go back to my colleague Mir for more on that. This event today is being held indoors. It was to be held right at the banks of the Dal Lake, where in fact many participants are still. However, the Prime Minister practicing yoga indoors in Srinagar city. This on the occasion of International Yoga Day. This is the 10th year that we are marking International Yoga Day celebrations. Not just in India, but even outside of India, it's been popularized, Manisha, and how yoga has been taken outside of India, beyond India's borders as well, isn't it?
Yes, yoga, in fact, I felt was more popular outside yoga past few years than it was in India. So over there, younger people would be doing more yoga, which is outside of India. And in India, we probably had a mindset that older people do yoga here. But now that's completely changed and it's shifting, so that's great news.
You know, what kind of a message do you think this sends when the Prime Minister himself has these videos, takes part actively in events of this nature, to send out a message that yoga is for all? How important is this sort of messaging, Manisha?
I think every approach usually works when it's top-down. So when the leaders of a country are actively involved in something, then it gives a very strong message that everybody follows.
Yes.
So a top-down approach works in mostly anything which needs a transformation. So I think that's brilliant that it's happening right now.
That's right. Staying with these pictures of the Prime Minister in Srinagar today, important message from the Prime Minister. He spoke a while ago, and we'll put that out once again for our viewers, where he said yoga is for all. You should be practicing it every single day of your lives. Here is the Prime Minister. What pose, in fact, is this, Anisha? What
we did this pose, which is the butterfly pose.
Yes.